How to start investing with just 50 euros. If you can't invest at least 1,000 euros, you might think it's not worth starting. That belief is exactly what's keeping you broke. Because while you're waiting to have enough money, you're missing the one thing that actually builds wealth: time. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to start investing with just 50 euros, step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's be honest, right now you probably feel stuck. You want to start investing, but you don't know where to begin. You're scared of losing money, and 50 euros feels too small to make any real difference. Here's the truth most beginners don't realize. The size of your money doesn't matter in the beginning. Your system does. Because investing is not about one big move. It's about small moves, consistent moves, done the right way. So, instead of asking, is 50 euros enough to invest? You should be asking, what is the smartest way to use 50 euros? That's the shift. Now, let me show you the exact system. Simple, beginner-friendly, and proven to work. Step 1. Stop trying to pick individual stocks. This is where most beginners lose money. They go online, they see top stocks to buy, they follow hype, and they invest blindly. That's not investing. That's guessing. And guessing with small money is dangerous. Instead, you want to start with ETF investing. This is one of the best strategies for investing for beginners. An ETF is a collection of many companies in one investment. So instead of betting on one company, you're spreading your risk across hundreds. This is called diversification, and it's how you protect your money while growing it. Step 2. Use a beginner-friendly investing app. You don't need thousands of euros. You don't need a financial advisor. You just need a platform that allows fractional investing. This means even with 50 euros, you can invest in large markets like the S&P 500 or global indexes. This is how people learn how to invest with little money today. Simple, accessible, and powerful. Step 3. Invest consistently. This is where most people underestimate the power. Let's say you invest 50 euros every month. Not once, but every month. At first, it feels slow, but then something happens. Compounding. Your money starts earning returns. Then those returns start earning returns. And over time, it builds momentum. This is how people build wealth long-term. Not from luck, but from consistency. Let me give you a simple example. Two people start their investing journey. Person A waits. They say, I'll start when I have more money. So they delay. Months pass. Years pass. Still no action. Person B starts today with 50 euros. They invest every month. They follow a passive investing strategy. Fast forward a few years, Person B is ahead, not because they had more money, but because they started earlier. Now, let's talk about the mistakes you must avoid. Mistake number 1, waiting for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. The best time is when you understand the basics, and now you do. Mistake number 2, chasing fast profits. This is where beginners lose everything. Trying to double 50 euros quickly usually leads to losing it. Mistake number 3, quitting too early. This is the biggest one. Investing only works if you stay consistent. Here's the truth. Small money grows into big money only if you give it time. So, here's your simple action plan. Start with 50 euros. Choose a broad ETF. Invest every month. Reinvest everything. Ignore the noise. Think long-term. That's it. No complexity, no stress, just a system that works. And if you follow this, you won't just learn a beginner investing strategy. You'll actually start building real wealth. Final thought. You don't need more money to start investing. You need less hesitation. If you want to go deeper, Watch the next video where I break down the best ETFs for beginners step by step. And if you're serious about changing your financial future, subscribe to Online Investment Compass, because here we turn small beginnings into long-term wealth.